kaseng United Democratic Party kalarai met Pynieng do MDC jo kaseng Congress u ashal di shira banlong kamu kotong jo kaseng naga election chiting sambai na Rajabala constituency. Hakabide pat bat Mawryngkneng na kalyang jo kaseng kalapentip bakan kyrshan yo candidate jo kaseng NPP ubak punya sing sim. Yakan ile thu do bak men baling do aga jana mo
Friends, we are pleased to inform you that we had decided with regards to the by-elections in all the three constituencies. Last week, we had already announced the name of Sri Eugene Lingdok Mawryngkneng as our official candidate from the Mawryngkneng constituency. The second one is for the Rajabala, 47 Rajabala constituency, where we had also decided and would like to announce today that our official candidate from the 47 Rajabala constituency is Sri Ashehel Dalbot Shira. He is the sitting MDC from the Batabari MDC constituency. He is contesting from our party, and since it's too short of a time to have him here with us, he came late last night we had to complete all the formalities with regards to all the official matters, procedures which is to be followed, matters related to the party affairs. So we had decided yesterday for his candidature for this Rajabala constituency. Mr. Ashehel Dalbot Shira also would like to announce, and as you are all aware, that he was the MLA from the Rajabala constituency only.
2013.
From 2013 to 2018 as the member of the Legislative Assembly. So that's all for Rajabala and the Mawryngkneng. Now coming to the Mawryngkneng constituency, the circle leaders have suggested that this time they will not field any candidate, and they would like to extend their support as the party to Sri Pynieng Same, who is the sitting MDC and the candidate from the NPP ticket. So, as the party at the state level, we have endorsed the decisions taken by the circle level, and we'll also like to announce that we will not be putting any official candidate from the party in the Mawryngkneng constituency. So therefore, the support will be extended to Sri Pynieng Same. Before you ask any question why we are supporting about Pynieng, I would like to inform you that since the local leaders have decided, because of different issues and different development activities within the constituency, therefore we also feel that it will be appropriate for us to extend the support to him and not to field any candidate.